Strip every unnecessary thing out. Less is more. It's the essence of modernism. The most important part of any design is the ability to listen to what the client wants. If a client says, I want very clean architecture, and you start out with a flat structure, a flat roof structure, and it's just a box, you strip out all the unnecessary things. What's the limited amount of structure that you need? Could you really go floor to ceiling with glass? How high can you make it? And you start whittling away, and what's left. Then you start playing around with different levels of transparency, like the trellis and the purlins on the skylight, or the lattice work covering the side floor-to-ceiling windows by the stairs going down. It becomes a very subtractive and additive design process, but in the end, it's all about transparency. It's keeping things as simple and clean and minimalist as possible.
They basically wanted to build a glass box modern home that really took advantage of the views of Lake Minnetonka. We built a lot of custom homes, architecturally designed homes, and very early on in the process, one of the big requests from our clients is to maximize natural light and expansive views.
This client wanted to have the ultimate amount of flow for entertaining purposes from all of these public spaces to experience the outside, whether it's in the summer or the winter. But in the summer months, open up all the doors and windows and be able to take all of the people that they're entertaining and let them seamlessly flow right out onto a covered deck, and then out into the grass field, then down the slope, then down to the lower green, then into the water. It actually all works pretty seamlessly.
When we're building these spaces for families to reconnect and enjoy together as a family, it's really important that it's well done, it's well designed, it's built with really great quality, and that we're using products that are going to stand the test of time to ensure that our clients are going to be able to enjoy these spaces as a family for many years to come. Marvin was the right choice for this home specifically because of the Marvin Modern product.
When we call up and said we need a minimum of 10-foot spans and we have 60 feet to play with, what is the minimum amount of structure that we can get there? There are a lot of people scratching their head to see how to get this to work. But we got it to work as a team. The Marvin engineering department and our project architect worked and crunched all the numbers together and got it to work out, and this is the net effect of all of that. It's a very simple, clean, beautiful product for a very simple, clean project.
Marvin is a great partner throughout the entire design and build process. That's one of the reasons we do 90+% of our projects with Marvin products. You can always be confident in the fact that they're going to be there to be our partner long after our clients move into their new homes.
When you're out in nature and it's quiet and all you hear are the birds chirping, the woodpeckers in the distance, families boating around, it's very peaceful. It's quiet, it's calming. It's a beautiful, beautiful place to be. When you have this much glass, you feel like you're part of something out here, but you're also being protected as well. Marvin gives us the tools to create environments such as this. Not every window manufacturer out there has the abilities and the engineering to pull this kind of product off. And when you're able to use it in a unique and inspiring way, beauty can be achieved.